Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. As the COVID-19 crisis continues with India recording another 63,509 fresh cases and 730 more deaths from the virus, the World Bank approved $12 billion aid to developing countries for enhancing healthcare and mass vaccination. The announcement is a relief for India as well, where 72,39,389 people have so far been infected, highest anywhere outside the United States, and 110,589 patients have lost their lives. Also, the country is fighting to uplift the economy, which has fallen by minus 23.9% in the first quarter of 2020. However, the country has managed to keep its recovery rate high, with over 87.05% patients recovering so far. The active cases, as per the official data, is 8,26,876. The total number of tests conducted touched a new milestone of 9 crores. The $12 billion is a part of $160 billion aid already announced by World Bank. Meanwhile, in India, cinema halls and theatres are all set to reopen from Thursday after a gap of more than 7 months. The Health Ministry has released the standard operating procedure, which includes less occupancy and screening of one only show at a time. Maharashtra government announced to reopen metros in the phased manners like in Delhi from Thursday onwards. Also, all state-run and public libraries have been asked to resume its operation. The Uttar Pradesh government on Wednesday filed a detailed compliance affidavit in the Supreme Court in the Hathras case, stating that the victims' family members and witnesses have been provided with 3-tier security besides installation of closed-circuit television near their homes. The Uttar Pradesh government, in its detailed compliance affidavit, sought for an SC-monitored CBI probe and submission of status report fortnightly, even as the Allahabad High Court continues suo motu hearing in the matter on the midnight cremation. Stating that Uttar Pradesh government is committed to give full security to the family and witnesses, it said the victim's family has private lawyers too. The SC hearing is scheduled for Thursday in the Hathras case. The Apex Court had asked the UP government to file the detailed compliance affidavit with respect to what kind of steps and measures it had taken and will take in future to protect the victims' family members and witnesses to go ahead with the trial in the case. Supreme Court on Wednesday asked the centre and banks to clarify whether they are implementing the waiver of interest on interest or not for the COVID-19 moratorium period. What have you done till now? Can you and banks let us know? A bench headed by Justice Ashok Bhushan said while hearing petitions seeking appropriate direction to waive off interest on interest during the COVID-19 moratorium period. The Apex Court observed when the government has taken a decision to waive off interest, why is it taking so much time to implement? Why you are asking time till November 15? Why will it take an entire month to effect a simple waiver scheme? The Apex Court asked and adjourned the matter for further hearing till November 2. The Apex Court observed the year's Diwali of public is in the hands of government. We will expect the implementation of government's interest waiver by then and will review the implementation, the Apex Court said. Justice M.R. Shah, another judge in the bench, said that this court have already passed an order prohibiting classification of NPAs and without a fiscal policy proposal cannot be altered. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.